Welcome to International College. My name is Alfredo, and welcome to day one DVD classes. Okay, so we already have the introduction into Windows 7. Okay, so I'm back again to my start menu. Okay, now we're gonna be doing quite a few different exercises. We're gonna try to make these videos, short and simple. Okay, for everybody to understand. Now, again, this is my start menu. Now, in Windows 8, see, we have two types of accounts. Okay, we can have a local account, which I already have here. Okay, see, I'm just gonna go ahead and click into my desktop. Okay, so this is my desktop. I'm already logged in. Now, the account that I set up, it was just a local account. So local account, that's one type of account, and then we also have, see, the Microsoft Live account. You can log on to your computer by using local settings, with no settings coming from the internet, or you can log on by using a Microsoft Live account. When you use a Live account, which requires that you get a free email account from Microsoft, you enable every Windows device you use to sync settings from your computer and access your documents from anywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and change this account here. Okay, now the way to change the account is the following steps. Okay, I'm on my desktop mode right now, so I'm gonna go back to my welcome screen. Okay, remember that. See, this is my cursor. I'm just gonna bring my cursor to the lower corner. If my Windows desktop, I mean my Windows Live account doesn't show, I'm gonna go ahead and use the keyboard. Okay, now remember the keyboard is just gonna be just the Windows logo on the keyboard. Okay, now from here I'm gonna use another shortcut. This is gonna be Windows I. When I click on Windows I, it's gonna open the settings right here on the right hand side. So see from here I have Start, Titles, and Help. Okay, now what I'm gonna be looking for here, I'm gonna be looking for my change PC settings. Okay, so remember, I'm gonna click on Windows logo and back to my desktop, Windows logo and back to my start menu. Windows logo I is gonna open the settings. Okay, now if I bring my cursor and click somewhere right here into my start, see, it's also gonna close the settings. Now, if I wanna also access the settings, I could bring my pointer, okay, and just bring my pointer right here into one of the corners, and the charms is gonna open up. Now charms is gonna give me this option: search, share, start, devices, settings. Okay, so if you guys wanna access the settings manually, just bring your pointer, hover your pointer to the top corner. Charms is gonna come up. From here we could just scroll down to settings. One click into settings, and these are our settings on Windows 8. Okay, now right here I have my wireless connection. I'm already connected to the internet. This is my volume. I mean, if you guys wanna increase or lower the volume, just one click, and then we could drag, okay, the slider up or down. Okay, we have the brightness. Same thing. See, we could use the little scroll here to increase the brightness or minimize the brightness. We have the notifications, power. Okay, if I want to turn off my computer, I will go there to the power. Okay, and if I want to see my keyboard on the screen, but basically this keyboard is for touch screen laptops or computers. Okay, now that option that I'm looking for is the change PC settings. Okay, now when I click right here on PC settings, this is gonna take me to my PC settings. Now we have quite a few different options here. Okay, now remember, we're gonna make this as short as possible. Okay, now what I'm looking for here is users, right? We are gonna change our user account because I have a local account and I'm gonna change my local account to a Windows account, Microsoft Live account. Okay, so right here I have the options. Okay, so when I first came to the PC settings, we were into personalize, and right here we have settings. One click on settings, and on the right hand side we're gonna have all the information. Okay, so this is my name, that's my computer. I'm using a local account, but now I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a Microsoft account. Okay, why? Because that's gonna enable me to use, okay, that on every computer that I use Windows, see, I will be able to sync settings from my laptop to my work computer. Okay, so that's one of the advantages. Okay, and at the same time I'm gonna be able to sync files, okay, from my home computer to my work computer. So to switch from a local account to a Microsoft account, okay, here's a link. I'm just gonna click on that, okay, and then I'm gonna be prompt, okay, for my email. I'm gonna be using the information for the school, okay. Remember that the email and the school is USA instructor 2 at live.com, okay. Once we have that information in, remember these are case sensitive, so make sure that you guys get the correct email. And then from here, I'm just gonna go to the next step. Okay. Once that I went to the next step, now I'm gonna be prompt for my password. My password. I'm gonna type in the password for my email account. Make sure that I have the correct password, and then I'm gonna click on next. Now, if you guys don't have a Microsoft account, you guys will always use the link here to create a new one, okay? A new email. Alright. Now, I'm also gonna be from add security info, okay? So gonna go ahead and use that phone just in case if anything happens, okay? And I'm gonna go to the next step. And it looks like I'm almost set up. Okay, you're almost done changing your account. Now I'm just gonna click on finish. And there you go. Okay, so now to exit the PC settings, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on my Windows logo on the keyboard. Okay, and that's it. See, right now, right away, see, I'm gonna have my name up here. Okay, Alfredo Martinez. Okay, and the picture that I use on the Windows Live Messenger. Okay, and right away, see, that account has been synced. Now I have a live, okay, a live preview of the pictures that I have on my account on the SkyDrive. Okay, um, one more thing, I'm gonna go ahead and use Windows logo I, and I'm just gonna go to power. Okay, that's another that option that I'm looking for. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to Windows logo. Okay. When I click on the Windows logo, it's gonna take me back right, see, straight back to my PC settings, the user accounts. Okay. Now I got this message. You save password. Your saved password for applications, websites, and network 1 second to you. Trust this PC. So that's another thing that I'm gonna need to do here. See, I'm gonna go ahead and select this option. Okay, trust this PC. Now when I do that, see, it's gonna take me to the Internet Explorer. Now this is the Windows Internet Explorer, and right here it's just asking me to confirm. Okay, it's asking me for a code, so they're gonna be sending a code to my cell phone number. Once I get the code and I type in the code, okay, this computer is gonna be added to my account. Okay, that means that I will be able to sync files from one computer, my computer at home, to my computer at work. Okay, and not only files, see, I will be able to also sync the settings from one computer to the other. Okay, and that's switching your account from a local account to a Microsoft Live account. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.